Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by, and if this is your first time on my channel, I want to welcome you and I really hope you will enjoy what you see and consider subscribing to my channel. Today's video is going to be part of the challenge hosted by Heidi Sambal from Happily Thriving Heidi. I've been participating in her challenges in the past, and I always had so much fun working with her and other wonderful creators that play along. So today's challenge is actually fall front porch tour. I am very excited about this because I love our front porch and I was so excited to decorate it for fall. Now I do live in Alabama and over here is still very hot. It is not fall at all, but I decided I'm gonna decorate some parts of my front porch, and then as the fall comes over here too, I'm gonna add more elements like pumpkins and mums and whatever is in a season at that time. So I had a couple of DIYs that I made for my front porch. I'm gonna share that with you guys. To check out Heidi's channel. I'm gonna link it in the description box down below. You guys will not regret going over to her channel. She's amazing. She has great ideas and her videos are just awesome. Also in the description, I'm gonna link playlist so you can see all the creators that played along and see what they did with their front porches for fall. Okay, let's get started. The first DIY that I am making was the fall sign for the front porch. I had some leftovers of fence boards and I picked it up and cut it to the size. I am sanding it just a little bit, not too much. And after that I'm using Valspar semi-transparent stain in a granite gray color. I don't want full coverage, I just covered it once. Just to have that nice gray color. To attach these boards together, I'm using nails opposed to screws because for me that way it looked more authentic and more old-fashioned and farmhousey. I'm also beating up the board with this tool to make it more rustic and more beat up. Next thing, I decided to use my Rust-Oleum chalk paint in a linen white, and I sprayed my rag with the water to whitewash the board just a little bit. Now I'm using my kids' chalk to draw all letters that I wanted. I decided to go this way again to make it more authentic and to look really like somebody hand wrote it, because I think that's how they did in the past. They did not have stencils and they did not do everything perfect. Now I'm using my Rust-Oleum chalk paint in a linen white to fill out the letters. And again, I'm not trying to make it any perfect. It's okay if there is any gaps between the paint and if it's not totally covered. I also decided that it's too much covered, so I decided to sand it just a little bit to make it more weathered. Now that this project is done, I am on to my next project. I wanted to change our flag that goes in front of our front porch, in front of the house, and I sewn it the other day. It was super easy, and again I did not have that big of stencil, and so I took a piece of cardboard, hand wrote it and cut it out. And I painted with these two colors, metallic and pavement gray. After it was done, I sealed it with a Mod Podge because I knew it would be outside. Next thing, I attached these fake leaves to make it more fall looking. Third project was the door sign. I got this pumpkin looking board at Target Dollar Spot for $3, and I really like it how it looks like. It had some boards that were raised up. It's really unique. Now I hand wrote it a welcome word with a pencil, and I'm going over with my permanent marker. After that, I decided to add a raffia on a stem to make a little bow. After I added that, I also decided to add some leaves to the side. I bought this cute pumpkin at the Dollar General for $1, and I like the pumpkin and I like the flower arrangements. I did not like them together. So I decided to take them apart, and I attached those flowers to the bottom of my door sign. And that was it. I really liked the way it turned out. Now it's time to decorate my front porch. I got this beautiful pillowcases from Wish. They were only $1, and I paid $1 for shipping. These two I actually bought from Wish a couple of years ago, I believe, and I decided to leave them on my front porch because they are actually all about home and family, and that's what this season is all about. As I mentioned in the beginning, later on I'm going to be adding some mums and some pumpkins to my front porch, but for now this is the decor that I'm going to be keeping for some time until fall really is over here. I made this board double-sided, so on the other side I'm planning on putting a sign welcome, so I can switch it up for another season. That's it, guys. I really hope you enjoyed watching this video. I hope you enjoyed my DIYs, and maybe you got some idea what you can do to decorate your front porch for fall. Don't forget to check out Heidi's channel as well as the playlist and see what other YouTubers made for their front porches. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. It really means a lot to me. It helps promote my channel and my video. And subscribe to my channel if you're new. Welcome, and I really hope you will enjoy my future videos as well. Have a wonderful day. I'll see you next time. Bye, guys.